nice, by the way. How come the rest of the cars don't come with a backpack?
With the 12 cylindri, they give you a duffel.
Oh wow.
Made like so as I told you, it's not really the cigar thing that you had before. Here, in case you want to change the cover, you want to put one.
Oh cool. It's not like the other key where one key is a different color than the other?
Yes, they are this way, but that's basically an additional cover, just in case instead of
cool. That's pretty cool.
You like your shirt? Hi.
Knuckles? Dude, this is Alex too.
What's up? How you doing?
Say hi. Say hi. Go say hi. Good.
Now he thinks every time he comes, he's gonna think he's gonna be getting a new car. We're gonna get a new car. That's what he thinks.
like you.
Oh, found the blinkers. Oh,
Just the real.
we found it. What button's that?
We pulled up as we're pulling.